stick. Tomatoes that grow by themselves. My zucchini, this one is bitten by something, but a small one is growing right here. I have yellow and green zucchinis. This is pumpkin, but no fruit so far. Flowers, of course, more flowers. And more flowers. These ones are coming up. Spinach started flowering. Not even, it didn't even go big to start to flower. More flowers. Salad. Flowers. My poor looking cucumbers, which are growing, but they look poor. My beans. This was supposed to be an herb bed, but barely anything is growing here. I have some Thai basil, that has grew. Something this, but generally like everything died. Carrot, salads, pumpkin, raspberry bush, blueberry bushes. Leeks are looking pretty. Beetroot. My carrots. Look, actually, if you look here, you can see that they are maybe like ready to pick up. I don't know though. My onions, they are wild. Okay. Some sweet peas which just started flowering. Kinda look like. Okay, never mind. My tomatoes, there's all my tomatoes, right? Of course, fruiting like beautiful. No disease, I think, so far. Like, there's nothing major. Maybe some smells, which are disease in itself, right? But I have some, I think this is an aubergine. I don't know. This, chamomile. Potatoes, right? Look how many tomatoes, right? And this is a one plant. Right, there's so many. Where's all the beans? Where's the flowers, right? Also. Let's go. Let's go. Here. Cucumber, also. Cucumber is supposed to be watermelon. This is looking very poor. There's not like a lot of sun here. Oh, this is supposed to be kiwano. It hasn't grown. It has grown like, I don't know, very small since I planted it in the ground. There is clover everywhere, like everywhere. I don't know where from that it is. Right? Also, white strawberry, which no one's